Hello team, this is Ken again. As promised, we are going to analyze the big cap coins in the crypto market in order to give you a refreshing mind on how crypto market is going to move forward with all the manipulation we saw in the market after Trump's speech against China and the new tariffs. Now, the next coin that we are going to talk about is Ethereum on the daily time frame. We have already been mentioning this distribution phase on Ethereum and told you that all these new all-time highs and the attempts to make higher levels were actually games market makers were playing to load up a distribution phase in order to bring price to lower levels. And why did we tell you that? It's because of the rejection we got every time that we visited the all-time high zone. If you recall, on Bitcoin, we kept pushing forward to higher levels and price went to discovery mode. But with Ethereum, every time the price went close to the all-time high, after struggling for a few days, price got rejected. Again, another attempt but failing and going to lower levels. And the final attempt, we were actually thinking that price might have had a chance to break above this level. But as you can see, another rejection led to the last move being our up thrust after distribution phase. And with the rejection that we got and the strong candle that we saw on Ethereum, we can say that this was the sign of weakness, the SOW, that actually brought price below this trend line. Now, with this trend line already broken, we believe as buyers are trying to lick their wounds and people are hoping that price goes back up again, especially the ones who longed Ethereum on higher levels as support, which has already turned into resistance. It is possible that when we go to higher levels, people are going to book their profit or get out of their long positions at a loss or even break free from their old positions. And this means that from this area, from around $4,000 level, we may see a rejection happening again to lower support level. Now, we have two important key support lines that are going to act as the main reversal points for Ethereum. The first zone is around 3,500. This is where we will book our first profit. And depending on the reaction that we get from here, we may see another bounce up and then going down or straight correction down to lower $3,000 support lines. Now, it's very important for us to get a nice trigger around these resistance zones because if price actually breaks free from these resistance and goes through these lines, then we can say that this was all a liquidity grab in order for the market makers to create the bull run without any retails being able to ride it. But for now, our main idea is to have another rejection to lower levels. In case we get a failure on this analysis, we are going to update the whole idea for you. But until then, let's just stick to playing our cards safe and not make any unnecessary risk, hoping that price is going to make another all-time high. And that is all we have on this video. In the next video, we are going to analyze one of the most famous alts in the crypto market. So stay tuned and don't forget to follow and like our page here and also visit us on Telegram. Stay safe and stay strong. Bye.